Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App, so let's get right into it. Now, I will be using the support article simply because Cash App is not available in my region, so I hope you guys really don't mind. It's not the best, however, this support article is very well made, and you should be able to understand everything since this is a very simple process in and of itself. So let's get right into it. Now, you can use Cash App to buy Bitcoin, and I'm pretty sure Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency at the moment which you can buy. Might be mistaken, might appear that there are more crypto options in the future. However, Bitcoin is the only 100% sure, the only one that I'm 100% sure that you can buy. And the way that you do this is you just log into Cash App, go into the app, and tap on the Money tab on the home screen. You can also access this through the website by going to cash.app/account and logging in, and you should be able to find that same place. Then you can tap on the buy Bitcoin tile, press buy, and then select an amount or press the three dots to enter a custom amount, and then you need to enter your PIN or Touch ID and tap confirm, and that's pretty much it. Now from this point on, you can send the crypto or the Bitcoin to any other crypto wallet you might have. You can also sell it, or you can buy more depending on what you want. But all in all, that is pretty much it. It's as simple as that. It will show you a graph of the Bitcoin value through time, so that is a very valuable tool to have. But other than that, that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.